In this video, I'll show you how to find a Memecoin about on Dexscreener. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, a Memecoin about is basically what the project or Memecoin entails, right? So if you head over to your Dexscreener, you're going to click on this, right? Select an token of your choice. So I've selected mine and I'm going to show you the about of this project. What you need to do basically from this displayed option, you're going to come on here, you're going to scroll down, right? So this is where you see the about of any project, right, on Dexscreener. So Chico the Moonbird, right? So this is basically the about of this project right here. And this project has gained a volume of, in the past 24 hours, a volume of $513,000, right? In the past 6 hours, volume of yeah, still the same. Past 24, past 6, and past hour, past 5 minutes, $33,000. So this is basically how you can find the about of a project or a meme coin here on Dexscreener. I find it very helpful. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and content like this. Share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next